Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, What up, Jai baby? Y'all, we have, Jason says hi. We got some seafood ramen, y'all. I told y'all we was gonna be doing a lot of ramen because I had a lot of ramen in this house, and we're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it because it's good and I like ramen. But anywho, I hope you guys are doing well. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Angie. This is Life with Star. If you're returning, welcome back. If you want to go ahead and take the time now to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like this video, drop a comment if you're new or not, and I hope you're ready to eat because it's delicious. I already know because I've tasted it and it smells good and I'm hungry. So yes, we're gonna start with a sausage. Well, let me tell y'all what we got going on in here. So we have ramen, we have mussels, yummy. We got mussels, we have shrimp, and we have some sausage. So kind of like a seafood boil ramen, you know, whatever. The broth is made out of water, chicken broth. We got ginger in here, we got garlic, we got Kimchee Base, we got garlic powder, we have ginger powder, we have Old Bay seasoning. We have oregano, we have paprika, we have hot sauce and lemon, a little bit of unsalted butter. Ooh. You want to make sure that you don't put too, like, if you're trying to do like brothy like dishes with your mussels and like noodles or whatnot, make sure that you don't overload it too much with too much. Wow, what? Make sure you don't overload the broth with too much butter. So, bon appetit! Y'all. Oh, I said kimchi base, and then we have the yellow color, the yellow powder coloring. We have that as well in here. Let me scoot up. So yeah. I'm more than sure something just went in my eye. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys had a good week. I hope your Saturday is going amazing. Are y'all getting into anything, doing anything, seeing anything? What are y'all doing? I think some of the broth went in my eye, y'all. Man. So yeah, I don't really have too much going on today. Listen, I'm gonna insert a picture of the mussels that I have. Like, if you guys are afraid of buying your own mussels to cook them, I got a treat for y'all. Honey, no. It's going everywhere, y'all. Can't have no casualties. So yeah. Y'all, I'm so thankful for everybody who tunes into the channel. I know there's like literally so many people that you could be watching. So it really does mean a lot that you guys pop in when y'all pop in, you know? I was trying to get a little bit of noodle and a mussel together. I love mussels. I prefer green lip mussels though, just cause I like them. First casualty. Making a damn mess, y'all. I prefer green mussels. They're bigger, they're meatier. They are so freaking delish. Delish. So, I thought I was about to die, y'all. Been having issues with the AC. And I also was prepping some chicken for a salad. I had a lot of stuff going on. I was like, ooh, I'm kind of hot. And I'm like, damn, I'm gonna be mad if it's not working. But I think we're good. So freaking good. As always, if you guys hear vehicles in the background, I do apologize. I can only control what I can control. I really just wanted to come on here and eat, y'all. I was gonna find me something on Netflix to watch. Speaking of, I did finish All American, and I did finish The Last OG. Everybody was telling me that I need to watch Shameless, but I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to give it a chance, and I just don't know if that's like my show. You know, not everybody's gonna like the same thing, but I don't know if me and Shameless is really rocking together like that. Is anybody else watching it? Like, am I just not giving it a chance? Last night we watched, oh my God, it's on the tip of my tongue. Inside Man, and we also watched, Inside Man had Denzel Washington in it, and we also watched Hostage with Bruce and Rumor Willis in it. Both very good. I feel like I've seen Inside Man before, but I really couldn't remember much of it, but I'm pretty sure that I did. It's just been a while. But Hostage with Bruce Willis, I don't recall if I've seen that movie before. Y'all, I'm making a mess of myself. Gosh. So yeah, if y'all have a show that y'all can recommend me to watch, like I'm not like extremely picky. I like to watch like a variety of shows. And 9 times out of 10, I rock with what people recommend. But I don't know. Shameless is just not hitting my spot. And I can't put my finger on it as to what it is about it that I'm not really feeling. You know? Like, I just don't know. It's the angle at which I'm eating this. It's real juicy though. I can't get down on it like I want to. It's going everywhere. Ugh. If y'all are not following me on Instagram, y'all should go over after you watch this video And after you subscribe and click the notification bell and like the video. But go to my Instagram and follow me. _ life with star. Star has 2 R's, _. Because when I'm not posting on here, I'm posting little things over there. So you know, it helps you to stay in touch and informed as to what I got going on, honey. Ooh. Whoa, my God. I would say the mussels that come in the little box, come with quite a bit. Enough for one person to enjoy, or if you're trying to create like a little appetizer situation for you and a special friend or regular friend, or you and your spouse, child, you and your child, whatever. It's a good amount for that. More than 3 people? No. Probably not. I ain't gonna lie. Look at them. Look at the new dough. It's so good. That lemon juice in there, just a little. So good. I only got 1 shrimp left. And 1 sausage. Believe it or not, y'all, I know y'all gonna be like, I know you lying. I'm getting kind of full. Oh, I am. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I know I was never destined for any type of food like contests and stuff. Like, it ain't me. Oh. I'm telling y'all, I could eat ramen like all the damn time. I don't know if I'm gonna post tomorrow for Sunday at all. You guys will definitely get a video for Monday. For those of you who like the makeup post, I'll do the makeup Monday on Monday. But I'm trying to like space out my uploads, because like if YouTube was like my full time, for sure y'all would have videos like every day. or close to every day. But it is so hard, y'all. Like, my mind be telling me, post every day, post every day. But like, realistically, I work full time. You know, I got family stuff going on. Then your mom, and then just like your regular day to day, and then you have to take time for you, you know, just like my mind be like, girl, put that camera up, press record for these people, but I can't do it. I tried that one week and I was like, by the time Friday got here, I was like, I can't believe I literally uploaded a video every single day. And I just knew I was gonna be able to do it the next week. Child, please. I would love to do it for y'all. I want to, but I can't. You know? So yeah. This is good. But I'm full. No lie. It's just water, y'all. I know you see that red cup, you like, ooh, she got her a red cup. No, it's just water. It's just water. All right, y'all. I guess I was craving, you know, sometimes you like craving a bunch of stuff or whatever. I had the mussels. I had a little bit of shrimp left over. I had a little bit of my smoked turkey sausage left over. And I'm like, the ramen is there. Let's just like throw everything together and make a little situation. But my eyes was maybe a little bit bigger than my stomach or my appetite. So I'm full. But there were 2 packs of ramen in here. Maybe I should just do one, child. I don't know. But it's all good. And two of my mussels, they not open. I got 2 right here that don't want to open. They didn't open. If your mussels don't open, do not eat them, y'all. Here, I'll eat this one that's open. It's kind of big. Ugh. I can't. I'm just ripping it apart. Lord, help me, Jesus. Angie, like, I'm on this camera acting like I don't know how to eat. Hell, I tore the mussel up. But anywho, my eyes was a little bit bigger than my appetite, but that's okay. It was still good nonetheless. I am gonna put my little noodles to the side in a very tiny container because I know like in an hour I'm gonna be like, let me finish them little ramens. You know, whatever. So yeah, I do hope that you guys are having a good day today. Do something nice for yourself and then do something nice for somebody else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I will see y'all possibly tomorrow. Possibly, okay? I don't want to put it out there and then I don't do it and then y'all come for me and be like, damn girl, where you went? Where you at? But yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Drop some love down in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads on the channel. Spread love. It's free. It costs nothing, which means it's cheap to you. Tell somebody that you love them and I love you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I literally like ate the pan just now. What? Like, what? I just went too close. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. I hope I ain't been like this the whole video, y'all, because now the pan looks like super huge. I mean, it still look big. Whatever. I don't care. Judge me not. Yes, I put it in this big old pan, and that's okay. Y'all have seen me eat out this pan before, though. I've actually bought this, and I never use it for what it's intended to be used for. But that is okay. I am rambling because I'm like, I don't want to leave you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and skedaddle. So, yeah. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow, if not definitely Monday. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend and your Saturday. Be safe, whatever you're doing. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. You know, social distancing. 6 feet. Give me 6 feet. Hell, I'm like, give me 50 feet. I'm not ready for the world to open back up. We still closed over here. But anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.